approved for me. I got $404 ready to be paid out to my PayPal account, and the pending currently is $1022 that will be approved next month from 10th to 17th. So today I just want to show you how I will request my payout to my PayPal, and Yoonla will send it to my PayPal account. So before that, let me show you what to do after you sign up for Yoonla. So when you click this link, let me just click it, and this link will bring you to this landing page. This is a landing page. You put your name and email address, then confirm your account. You will earn and confirm your account. If you are an affiliate, you earn $2 to $4. Let me show you the commissions. That for free signups, you earn $2 from the people who are signing up using your link. $2 to $4. As you can see, there's $4 from yours. 2, 4, 4, 2, 2. Some of the countries are 0. So when someone click that link and put their emails and names and confirm their account using an email that Yoonla will send to their email box, you'll earn $2 to $4. So when you have signed up as a member, you will go to areas members. After you confirm your account, you'll come here. Let me just refresh. So after you confirm your email and create your account, you'll come here as a member. You'll come here, watch this 5-minute video. It's an intro. Then go ahead and claim my free priority setup and elite upgrade by Reno. Click this yellow part, then watch this video again. This will tell you what to do. Watch it. Then after you watch it, click step 1. Scroll down, you see this step 1. This is for getting autoresponder. This is where you need a credit card. You need some money in that credit card to pay for GetResponse and domain hosting. You'll need that money. Like if you're paying for a domain, at the moment right now they have an offer. It's $53 for the domain per year, and for GetResponse it's $15 per year. So you will need $68 to pay for those tools. So you come and click here. Let me show you where it will take you. It will take you to GetResponse. Then pick this package, choose this one, then put your billing address, billing details, and then proceed and check out. After you've done with that GetResponse, you go back to Yoonla. You go back to Yoonla, go to step 2, click this step 2, and this is domain. You'll come and choose a plan, and Yoonla recommend advanced plan. So you choose this plan, search for the domain name you want to use, pay. If you want to pay hourly, the better. It's cheaper in the long run, not like paying every month. It's kind of expensive when it's in the long run. It's expensive. So choose pay a year, whichever package you want to pay, but Yoonla recommend a 1 year. So pay that, then activate your domain and activate your GetResponse again. There's an email you'll receive in your email. Make sure you use an email that's yours. Yes, use an email that you can access. Don't use anyone else's email, because sometimes I've had so many cases of people using different emails, so they can even confirm they can get the order number, they can confirm the domain, they can activate. So use your real email address that you can access. So after you've done with that, you go back to Yoonla. Let me just speed up. Go back to Yoonla, fill this priority setup. It's a form that Yoonla will use to upgrade your account. Fill the form here. Fill this form, then use my affiliate referral ID. I'll give it to you. Then submit your request. So after you're done with that, wait for 24 hours, your account will be activated. So now let's go back to Yoonla, what I wanted to show you. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe now and click the bell icon. You will be notified when I post another video. So these are the commission, $2 to $4. Now let's go back to what I wanted to show you. Now that I've been approved $404 by Yoonla, I want to show you I'm going to request my payout to my PayPal account, and this money will reflect in 24 hours in my PayPal account. So let's go back. Let's go to pay commissions, payouts to me. Guys, this is my account. As you can see, this is my profile, my photo, and the names, Mary Chelangat. Those are my official names, Mary Chelangat. And if you want any help, you can find me on Facebook, Mary Komulong. Find me on Facebook and I'll help you, I'll guide you. So right now, as you can see, I've requested the payment. So you can see this is $404 approved, and but I'm unpaid, so they'll pay this tomorrow morning. As you can see the payment request has been sent. So guys, so tomorrow I'll record another video showing you the payment that I received from Yoonla in my PayPal account. This money I'll transfer it to my bank account, my Kenyan bank account, Equity Bank. So I'll transfer that money to my Equity Bank so that you can see that Yoonla really pays. So don't be afraid to work online part-time. You can work 2 to 4 hours. Like me, I work 2 to 3 hours only in a day, and I make like 50, sometimes 150, sometimes $200. As you can see, just my dashboard, $42 I had yesterday. Right now $40, which actually I've not even posted anything today. I've just been around doing some things. So you can see $60, that is 6,600 Kenya shillings, and sometimes 15,000, sometimes 10,000 Kenya shillings. So kindly join Yoonla, sign up, upgrade to be a VIP. If you need help, any help, inbox me and I'll help you through the process and you become an elite. And if you get someone that's upgrading to be an elite, you earn an extra $30 commission. Just for them paying for domain and email hosting, you earn $30. And that elite member, when he comes in with another elite, you earn another $30. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it and you will be notified every time I post a new video. So let's go back to affiliate dashboard, and then I'll show you what I got paid out to me. So here the $404, it was paid out to me on 20th of April 2018. As of far of now, I've received $2,303 from Yoonla. So, and as you can see here, the pending amount is $1198. This will be approved next month. So guys, let me show you my PayPal. Here is the amount I received. So if I click it, you'll see the details, even the $404. You see the message is from Aspire. This is Yoonla. It's billing@yoonla.com. This payment from Yoonla. Here, you see 404, and then PayPal deducted their fee. So if you are looking for a legit online job, online business, so this is where to start. If you haven't signed up, sign up now and start earning money for yourself. Thank you, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.